Morning routines are broken, leaving most people groggy, unfocused, drained, unaware their brain chemistry misfires and sabotages daily performance completely. Over 70% of adults start mornings without activating the nervous system properly, causing low alertness, poor decisions, stress spikes throughout the day. Traditional routines, splashing water, scrolling social media, grabbing coffee, address symptoms only, leaving brain circuits sluggish, prefrontal cortex underengaged, and stress responses misaligned. Chronic fatigue, weak emotional regulation, and poor cognitive performance develop over time when mornings fail to reset brain and nervous system. There's a method under 10 minutes that rewires the brain, boosts focus, energy, and calm, confirmed by Neuroscience, within 7 days. Specific morning breathing patterns trigger neuroplastic changes, improve prefrontal cortex oxygenation, regulate cortisol levels, and create measurable improvements in mental clarity, resilience, and sleep. Imagine starting each day alert, energized, and mentally clear without coffee, pills, or complicated routines, simply by activating brain circuits properly. Here's what's happening inside your brain. Circuits controlling focus, mood, and stress remain dormant, leaving you vulnerable, until correct breathwork flips performance mode. Next, we'll uncover the exact mechanism that keeps mornings dull and why most routines fail, showing why breathwork works better. Morning grogginess and mental sluggishness are caused by low parasympathetic activation, leaving the nervous system unbalanced and brain circuits underperforming each day. Cortisol spikes unevenly, prefrontal cortex activity lags, and oxygen flow to critical neural regions remains suboptimal, reducing alertness, focus, and cognitive efficiency. Most people rely on external stimulants like coffee or sugar, which temporarily mask fatigue but do not restore proper neural function or regulation. The breathing rate, depth, and rhythm directly influence autonomic balance, yet typical routines ignore these signals, leaving stress hormones elevated and neural pathways dormant. Inadequate oxygenation during shallow morning breaths reduces nitric oxide production, slowing circulation, impairing neuroplasticity, and limiting brain regions responsible for attention and memory consolidation. These physical mechanisms have measurable consequences. Reaction times decrease, emotional regulation weakens, and energy levels fluctuate unpredictably, affecting performance across work, exercise, and social tasks. Sleep inertia worsens when breathing is irregular during the first 30 minutes after waking, further delaying prefrontal cortex engagement and neural synchronization. Traditional solutions fail because they bypass the actual cause, which is mismanaged autonomic activation, leaving the brain unable to properly transition from rest to focus. That is where the real problem starts. Your body signals remain misaligned, neural circuits dormant, and stress systems hyperactive, creating a daily cycle of inefficiency. Understanding this mechanism is critical because only by addressing autonomic balance, oxygen flow, and prefrontal activation through targeted morning breathwork can long-term performance improvements occur. The method is called the 7-minute morning brain reset, designed to activate neural circuits, balance the nervous system, and optimize focus immediately. Step 1. Sit upright, feet flat on the floor, spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and close your eyes, preparing for deep rhythmic breathing. Step 2. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, filling lungs fully, feeling your diaphragm expand and ribs lift gently with oxygen. Step 3. Hold the breath for 7 seconds, maintaining calm and noticing slight tension in your chest, signaling oxygen saturation throughout the body. Step 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds, releasing stress hormones, lowering cortisol, and signaling the parasympathetic nervous system to activate fully. Step 5. Repeat the inhale, hold, exhale cycle for 6 complete rounds, maintaining focus on your breath, chest movement, and calming neural feedback sensations. Step 6. Perform alternate nostril breathing for 2 minutes, closing right nostril with thumb, inhale left, switch sides, balancing hemispheric brain activity effectively. Step 7. End with 3 rapid, full diaphragmatic breaths, noticing alertness increase, mental clarity sharpen, and stress levels visibly decrease, signaling immediate brain circuit activation. During practice, you should feel oxygen increase, heartbeat slow slightly, mental clarity rising, and tension leaving neck and shoulders, confirming nervous system realignment. Perform this routine daily for 7 consecutive days, ideally within 30 minutes of waking, to achieve measurable improvements in focus, resilience, and emotional regulation. By the end of the week, participants notice sharper thinking, faster reaction times, reduced stress response, and a natural ability to stay alert without stimulants or caffeine. This system works because each step directly stimulates prefrontal cortex activity, enhances oxygen delivery, and triggers neuroplasticity in circuits responsible for focus and mood regulation. The root cause of morning grogginess is insufficient autonomic activation, leaving prefrontal cortex underengaged and parasympathetic balance misaligned immediately after waking. Morning breathwork directly addresses this imbalance by stimulating vagus nerve activity, increasing oxygen flow, and activating neural pathways responsible for attention and cognitive clarity. Research shows controlled breathing improves oxygen delivery to the brain by 20 to 25%, supporting prefrontal cortex engagement and enhancing executive function within minutes of practice daily. Data confirms slow, deep rhythmic breathing reduces cortisol levels by up to 30%, lowering stress response and improving mental clarity, focus, and emotional resilience. Alternate nostril breathing balances hemispheric activity, improving cognitive performance, creativity, and problem-solving, confirmed by EEG measurements during controlled studies of neural activation patterns. Studies indicate diaphragmatic breathing enhances nitric oxide production, increasing blood vessel dilation, cerebral perfusion, and oxygen availability to critical brain regions for decision-making. Failed methods, such as caffeine or cold showers, stimulate only temporary alertness, missing root mechanisms like oxygenation, vagal tone, and neuroplasticity necessary for lasting results. Shallow, fast breathing suppresses parasympathetic activation, keeping sympathetic stress circuits active, impairing memory, focus, and mood regulation, while breathwork restores optimal nervous system balance efficiently. Repeated practice over 7 days initiates neuroplastic changes, strengthening neural pathways, improving attentional control, and reinforcing habit formation for long-term morning alertness and energy. Clinical trials show participants practicing morning breathwork report 15–20% faster reaction times, improved emotional regulation, and decreased subjective fatigue scores after only 1 week. This method also optimizes sleep inertia recovery, accelerating transition from rest to active neural states, and reducing sluggishness that compromises morning productivity and cognitive efficiency. By stimulating the autonomic nervous system correctly, breathwork reshapes habitual morning responses, ensuring brain circuits for focus, decision-making, and emotional regulation function at peak capacity. In contrast, conventional routines fail because they rely on external stimuli or forced wakefulness, bypassing physiological mechanisms that govern neural activation and oxygen-dependent prefrontal cortex performance. Tests indicate that consistent morning breathwork enhances neurochemical balance, including dopamine and serotonin regulation, promoting positive mood, attentional control, and overall cognitive efficiency throughout the day. After 7 consecutive days, measurable improvements occur in alertness, mental clarity, stress resilience, and energy levels, demonstrating that targeted breathing retrains the brain effectively and sustainably. After 7 days of morning breathwork, mental clarity, focus, and energy levels improve dramatically, transforming sluggish mornings into productive. Alert starts daily. The routine requires only 7 minutes, sitting upright, breathing deeply, holding, and exhaling slowly, providing maximum results with minimal effort and time commitment. Before, groggy, distracted, reliant on stimulants, mentally foggy and stressed. After, alert, focused, resilient, energized naturally, and ready for daily challenges immediately. Your prefrontal cortex becomes engaged. Cortisol levels stabilize and oxygen delivery improves, giving measurable improvements in attention, reaction time, and emotional regulation within 1 week. This method is easy to implement. Perform each inhale, hold, exhale cycle as instructed. Complete 6 rounds, add alternate nostril breathing, and finish with 3 diaphragmatic breaths. Participants report clearer thinking, faster decision-making, calmer responses to stress, and reduced dependency on caffeine or sugar for morning energy after consistent practice. Testing this system is straightforward. Commit to 7 consecutive mornings. Track alertness, mood, energy, and concentration levels to observe quantifiable improvements over time. You can share this method with others struggling with morning fatigue, mental fog, or stress, helping them improve focus, energy, and brain performance naturally. The long-term benefits include improved neuroplasticity, strengthened neural pathways for focus, balanced autonomic nervous system activity, and reinforced positive morning habits that last indefinitely. By following these steps daily, mornings become optimized, allowing higher productivity, emotional control, and resilience without relying on external stimulants or ineffective temporary solutions. Start today. Set aside 7 minutes immediately after waking. Follow the breath cycles carefully and observe measurable changes in energy, focus, and mental clarity. Share this method with someone who needs to reset their mornings and subscribe to keep learning techniques that improve brain performance effectively every day. Your mornings no longer have to be sluggish or inefficient. 7 minutes of breathwork rewires the brain, creating lasting clarity, focus, and energy naturally.